Hallo, herzlich willkommen zu einer weiteren Folge Ghostbusters. Hier ist der euch Anulu. Es ist schön, habt ihr wieder eingeschaltet. Wir sind immer noch, machen es da mal weiter, ja, besessene Waschmaschinen. Jetzt da mal Dings umschalten. Ja, jetzt könnte ich da eigentlich... ist das gegangen so, hä? Nein. Umschalten. Jetzt bin ich da. Okay. Jetzt denke ich da, ich kann da noch laufen. Geht auch nicht. Wo ist denn da durch? Hallo. Ist ja da richtig? Ist ja da raus? Nö. Manchmal. Ui. Ich kann über Router da. Hier ist nix.
That looks like our ticket. That tank is leaking gas all over the place. That is a serious safety hazard, man.
I wanted to test these first, but since we're waiving that safety step today anyway, you should be aware that I modified the neutrona wand, which normally releases the particle stream.
Wow, it's like Christmas came early.
Earlier than what? They started Christmas before Halloween this year. Santa came to my house dressed as Dracula.
Olsen Dog should do the trick.
Okay.
You guys might want to stand back.
How far exactly?
Back. Way back.
Hey.
Do I still have eyebrows?
Sam.
Ah, da. Jetzt etwas Neues gegeben, oder was? Das tut schon gut, hä? Ja, das können wir dann schauen, wenn wir dann Geld haben für Serie.
I said way back.
Nicely done. Great job, kid.
Yeah, combustible gasoline. It's the future. Egon, once again on the Super Slammer. Dog ate my homework.
It's a prototype, Peter. You recall the memo from you about getting too many memos on prototypes?
Well, I did write that.
We've mounted a high-expansion rapid-cycle multiple ghost absorber. It's faster and larger than our portable units.
Am I in jeopardy? Is this a big enough stick to roast this guy? Okay.
Potentially. But our exposure to interdimensional deities has been only marginal to date, so it would be wise to anticipate some error.
You know, for a big guy, he fights awfully sneaky. We should tie a propeller on his neck.
Ja, das war eine neue Idee, hä? Das Glöckchen
Somebody needs to go.
umhängen.
Hindenburg, the opera. Wasn't that show shut down when the stage caught fire and killed the cast?
I read the reviews. Oh, the humanity. I had to say that.
That's right. Ruthless producers. They just reopened it last week. It's crackling. There must be something really bad about this place.
Grab a full scan.
Good idea. We should probably have a look around.
Guess that means we're not alone here.
Yep. These are unusual flux patterns. Whoa, wait! Don't touch that. That's what I thought. Black slime. Black slime is a hazardous form of ectoplasmic residue. Toxic to both body and soul. Very dangerous. Egon and I haven't developed clothes and boots sufficient enough to insulate against the negative psychokinetic effects of this stuff yet, so be careful.
In other words, the stains don't ever come out.
Ooh.
Watch yourself!
Ist da einer rausgekommen?
Look out! The fat lady's singing!
Ja, wo ist sie denn?
So, oh.
Looks like an opera singer, and a hefty one at that. Peter, you better take her.
What's that supposed to mean? I'm a chubby chaser? I take out one plump girl on a blind
Mensch,
date,
Viech.
like her personality, and you guys can't let it go.
Stirb!
You own that creep!
Und tschüss.
Ah!
Okay.
Quick! Scan it for the database!
I don't have time for you right now, gargoyle!
Ei.
More of them!
Oi. Noch da rein. Wow, jetzt habe ich schon einen gehabt.
Look out! Above you!
Ah, die Gargoyle so wieder da. So, Keiben. Lang fort, darf die Strahlen nicht kreuzen.
Ow! That was ow there! They're bringing some thunder! Oh!
Und tschüss. Ah. Der fehlt doch zuerst, ja.
Find some cover!
Schatz.
Quick, get a scan for Ray's database.
Kein einer weniger.
Oh my! Hold tight!
Wow. Und down.
Ow!
Auf die Jungs, merci.
Incoming! On the
Ja.
right!
Ja, was denn? Du bist auch noch einer.
Find some cover!
Und tschüss. Das ist mal so eine grosse. Mal drüber.
Run!
Ei. Jetzt habe ich den Geist nicht können.
Hit them, not me!
Halt. Ah. Hehehe.
Scan it! Oh! Ow!
Und tschüss.
Way to go, Greenhorn! Look out! Above you!
Und tschüss.
Spectacular! We just did a service to humanity, kid.
Hast du geil gemacht.
Hindenburg's
Du,
a
geil gemacht.
terrible show.
Times Square, post-urban renewal. All shiny and clean. I love it.
Say, is that him?
It's hard to miss.
Er ist wirklich schwarz über sie.
Leon, how close do we have to get the big trap to reel him in?
A lot closer than this.
What's he up to now?
He's looking for something.
Is he looking for something or someone?
Oh, der schaut böse. Das ist nicht gut, wenn der böse schaut. Und wieder am Laden. Kennt man ja langsam.
If you can see behind me, the streets are in absolute chaos. Authorities are doing everything they can to quell the panic and maintain order. It is madness out here. The Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, star of the popular children's television show, is on a rampage. This is not the Stay Puft we've come to love. Fortunately, the Ghostbusters have arrived to put everything back to normal.
Und davon mal auf ein bisschen Marshmallow zu fliegen.
It's damaged. I've got to fix it or we won't stand a chance.
We need to get from here to there. Make sure the big boy doesn't find whatever he's looking for.
Good strategy. It's dangerous, though. That's a lot of open ground to cover.
All right, sport. Looks like it's me and you. Let's go across Times Square and get into the building Stay Puft is so interested in. You guys keep him off us if you think you can.
He knows you're there, Ray. I don't think he likes it.
Yep, he spotted us. Keep moving.
Ah.
Keep away from those feet. He'll stomp you into jelly. Pepper him with boson darts. Nice boson. That really dinged him. Great job. Now see if he wants s'more. Get it? I'm funny too, you know.
Uh-oh.
Here he comes. Evasive maneuvers. Stick close to me and as far away from him as you can.
Ah, no.
Venkman, you've got to distract him. Venkman, are you getting coffee? Venkman's getting coffee. Boson darts!
Meine Schnauze.
Follow me, quick! Draw him over here.
Ui. Wurde schon gemacht, ja.
Pepper him with boson darts.
Ich bin dran. Hoi.
Boy, he's really bad. There's our way in. Break for it. Stay on my six.
Ja, wo bist du jetzt her? Ah. Ich bin da her. Hoi.
It's okay, Ghostbusters. Just a level 5 thought form cross rip. The professionals are here. Everybody calmly exit the street. Make no sudden movements. What the?
Ui.
Uh-oh. He didn't find what he was looking for on the bottom floors.
Scale die
Come
Kamera.
on. We've got to get to the top floors.
Sally zusammen.
All full. Going up. He just passed gas.
Relax, sir. We handle foul vapors all the time.
Habe ich noch angeschrieben mit Rookies, habe ich gar nicht gesehen.
Let's stay in for lunch, you said. Why leave the building, you said. It'll be quiet, you said. You know you're fine.
You're
Oh.
right. I secretly knew our lives would be in danger and thought, hey, I'll make sure I trap Mark with me inside an elevator!
So eine Taktik, ja. Und mal wieder Ladebildschirm. Ja.
Stay with me, Haas. I'm sure there's more fun up ahead. Oh, a mixed up.
Hoi. Ah, ich sollte vielleicht das Ding anladen. Bist du noch da? Ah, da gehen wir mal. Oh, hallo?
We've stirred up a hornet's nest, kid.
Dann nehme ich das lieber. Komme ich da irgendwo rein? Was hat das da können? Ah, okay. Ja, was muss das sein? Zwischendurch? Gut zu wissen.
See what's here.
Oh, oh. Ah, da vorne ist nicht gut. He?
Uh-oh. No sudden movements. Okay, it sure got quiet all of a sudden.
Da ist nicht still. Da ist etwas gar nicht sauber. Ja.
They're in the fence! They're in the fence!
Nie siehst du. Woi. Ah, die.
It's on your left! More than I expected.
Wow.
Out of the way!
Hoi zusammen.
Man, that stings! Run!
Nicht gut.
Watch out, they're smart!
Ui, 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 ui. Oh,
Don't let them circle behind you! I'm covered in marshmallow minion goo! Dave Buck is working overtime, generating these little things.
Nächste.
This place is chewed up.
Hat zum Glück nicht die Waffe bekommen, Mann. Hey, warte.
Good shooting.
Wow. Das ist der Anulu durchlüpft wie Anton. Ja, 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 keine mal Zeit. Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Beckman, come in, please. It's pandemonium up here. Chunks of the building missing everywhere. You are required at the site now.
So happy to be at the
Hey,
event, but
Alta.
these sugar balls have got me nailed down. I can't get past them. They're disgusting, and they're unhealthy.
Did I mention there's a spectacularly beautiful lady in distress?
I'll be right there.
All right, show
No! Somebody help me!
Easy now, miss. Just relax. No sudden movements. You're perfectly safe now. Sudden movements! Sudden movements!
Oh. Das hat ja auch nicht nachmachen. Jetzt hat er auch die Böse geschaut. Das hat ihm jetzt auch nicht so gepasst. Ui.
Hey, watch it! Wow, check it out, kid. What a view, huh? Manhattan. I love it.
Nein, jetzt warst du nicht davon. Schade. Hat jemand den Bereich?
We need to go. Let's roll.
Ellie Murray. Wir sind halbe Herzbarack.
It's okay. Dr. Beckman. You're fine.
You didn't spill your coffee, did you, Peter?
Ray,
Hey,
I
Seiten.
got coffee for all of us. But the little monster spilled it. And what's the story with those things anyway?
What, was that a manifestation of Gozer?
Yeah, probably. It just may be. Could be. Would you like to take the most direct route out of here, or the scenic route to its lady's choice?
There's a stairwell over here. Let's go.
Woo. Yeah, grace under pressure. I appreciate that in a lady.
Okay, Slugger, let's you and me do this quick and quiet before Tubby Soft Squeeze out there figures out what we're up to.
Murray is het köstlich.
I think Tubby Soft Squeeze has dog ears, Ray.
Aha, ladies first, ne? Oi, oi, oi,
We're
oi, oi.
not getting out of here that way.
Well, it was a good plan for a second.
Okay, let's think. What did people do before stairs? Was it ladders or just jumping from rock to rock?
We go up then, to the roof.
Ach, had ich kaum Game ab dem können. Das ist köstlich. Hallo.
Stay puffed.
Ja, nein.
Move, move.
Dann muss ich mir noch Glück passiert der nichts. Du. Dann hat uns die Büchse gefüllt. Oi, oi.
Not much longer, cadet. That way.
Well, that's
Endlich da oben, hä?
Come on, let's go. Stay back!
Oei, oei, oei. Hoe zit ik zeggen? Hoi, hoi, hoi. Dat zit dus een beetje hardnekkig. Jetzt muss noch mal jemand... Ah, das kann mal werden. Ah, gang rein. Ah, die. Ja, würde ich auch sagen. Ja, was dem gar nicht rauf. Jetzt. Und der nächste. Nicht vergessen mitzunehmen. Täubchen. Wow. Was die Ekelknarre. Warum schauen sie uns?
You got it! Ooh, painful. All yours!
Nice. Oh, dat is gevaarlijk.
Ooh, painful. Puppy. They felt that one in Pittsburgh. You've got him on the ropes! Add it up!
Alarm you, but we have lost sight.
Nee, ze hebben dan het gevoel, ze gaan het zich weren. Wo ist er jetzt, dieser Marshmallow, man? Er ist ein Nöchi. Wo ist er? Da. Aber der kommt. Du musst jetzt da etwas machen. Da kommen wir nicht wirklich vorwärts. Ne? Jungs. Wow, hallo.
Get its attention! That's how you do it. Great job, you guys. Ha! Free s'mores for everybody from 54th Street to 5th Avenue. Happy Thanksgiving!
Here he goes. Big evil sailor all the way to the... Oh! Not quite. Didn't make it. Hey, Ray, say 3 guys the size of your finger knocked you off the side of a 30-story building and you had to climb all the way back up to tear them apart. How mad would you be at those 3 little dinky types?
I'd go with mighty pissed.
Okay, and throw in a sugar...
Versnurrt.
That giant blue and white toy man thing, or whatever, is still coming. It's climbing the building.
I'm impressed with his agility, considering his complete lack of bones.
Good news. We've got the Super Slammer back on pulse and Ecto 1 is rolling. We're repositioning now. Can you hold the Stay Puft there for a few minutes?
If by few you mean less than 1, then sure, we can do that.
Hey, did somebody tell you it was break time?
No sweat, kid. We've got you.
Well, as long as you're down there, would you see if you could knock off Mr. Sweetness?
Und laden.
All right, there, Sunshine. Are you okay? You're all strapped in. We've got a good tight grip on your belt. Here he comes. The Big Daddy manifestation himself. A raging blob of densely packed marshmallow. Oh boy. Melt him, Chief. Give him full
in die
speed.
Schnauze.
He's right, rookie. Your health insurance doesn't begin for another 89 days.
What are those minis? How many can he generate?
Breek.
From 200,000 square feet of solid marshmallow? Oh,
Nou, dat is stabiel. Oei. Hoi zusammen. Gib ihm Schuh. Oi.
Boson darts should do the trick.
Is that his upset look? What do you think?
Dat weet dapper. Kijk, verrukter. Wow. Zijn kat. Alles is marshmallows verklept.
Soften him up with your boson darts.
Ja. Oei, dat is er net. Jetzt zijn we net een keer. Uh-oh.
Got him on the ropes, Lobster. Slam the last one so we can go home.
You killed my dessert!
Scoreboard reads Ghostbusters 2, Gozer the Gozerian 0. Looking like a real big leaguer out there, champ.
Ray, Peter, we're in position. The trap is set. We're prepared to capture Stay Puft. Where is he?
He's that white puddle you're driving through?
Timing's off by just a hair, Egon, but we're glad the trap is working again.
Arme Marshmallow.
Guys, my life.
She's clean.
How do you feel?
Pretty good. All extremely weird things considered.
So far, just another screwed up day at the office. You know, I never forget a face attached to all the rest of that. I think we met earlier at the Sedgwick Hotel. You gave me the sideshow chicken drop.
My name's Alyssa. Dr. Alyssa Selwyn. And
I am Dr. Peter Venkman. And that's Egon. It's Ray. Winston, and you met him.
Uh-huh. The Ghostbusters.
Und ihn.
Have you ever been involved in this type of quantum temporal rift event before?
A quantum what?
It's called arcing, a large pulse of psychic energy.
Actually, yes. I was at the museum. A pulse of blue light surged through the building. And then I was standing outside a room on the 13th floor of an old hotel.
The Sedgwick.
The Sedgwick doesn't have a 13th floor.
It was pulling me like a magnet. I felt as though I was in a deep dream. I came to and ran over here.
Here?
It's a temporary office while I'm in town. I came to do some research after I woke up.
We'd like you to come to our lab so we can run some brief tests and ask you more questions.
Here's an easy one. Would you like to go out for Thai? Mexican? Japanese?
Wow, Dr. Venkman. That time you almost went 45 seconds without saying something abrasive. Want to try for a whole minute next time?
A doctor, and a fiery one, too. Charming. So charming.
Nice. Nice. Jetzt haben sie einmal genug Dessert im ganzen Viertel dort. So, würde ich sagen, jetzt haben wir nach dem Marshmallow-Mann gezeigt, oder Bartli der Most holt. Und dann machen wir noch ein kleines Folgenpäuschen. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. Merci vielmals fürs Zuschauen. Ich wünsche euch noch einen schönen Rest. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss zusammen, euch anulu.